2:14 on Saturday. Our flight, I got my Uber over here. Roy, you're welcome. Say hi, Roy. Our flight is at 3:45 and right now it's 2:14 and we're blitzing it down trying to make it to Vegas, our flight. And I'm gonna document, this is my new trip report style, starting from leaving my house. We left Palisades Casino and then now we're gonna take you on small skits of everywhere we go on this journey, and hopefully it comes out good, right?
Yeah, you actually might get to see the airport bathrooms too if he takes you there.
Not in the bathroom, but we're looking good. Look at that, our hair is all cut. Roy's hair is cut too, look at that. We're looking sharp. We're gonna meet up the boys all the way. They're already there. G Money and Corey and Chef Dice coming on later tonight. So, and Ivan tonight.
Oh, no, he's there.
Oh, Ivan's there already. So we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, me and Roy going to Vegas, baby. Roy, check it out. Here's Roy. Here's me. I'm going to flight 325. I think I got like
Alright, how's it going? Wasted.
I don't know. Can you open this for me?
Yeah, absolutely.
You gotta go. This guy's
Jay, you're gonna be across and then make a
cross.
race.
Alright. Cross and to the left. To the left.
What's your seat number?
Oh, I thought you was going left.
14J.
Oh, 14J. Yeah.
Oh,
And then it'll be on your left.
she would point me over there. Like, oh. Oh, I know. Psych me out. Hey, Roy, where you see that? Oh, I'm right here. Look at that. That's first class. Advantage of boarding early. All right, we're already boarded on the plane. You see Roy in the back right there, still trying to get settled in. I told him to sit next to me, but he doesn't want to sit next to me. He'd rather sit on the aisle over there. We got Coach Rob on the plane as well with his family. So it's gonna be a good flight. 5.5 hours from Hawaii to Las Vegas, non-stop travel. I have nobody in front of me, as you can see. Put my legs up here. I got my iPad right there. That way I can edit some videos for you guys. You know, the videos you guys see in the casino. So, all right, we'll get back when we get back into Vegas. Aloha, guys. Alright guys, welcome to Las Vegas. We just landed. To me, a smooth flight. Roy said it was bumpy, but I like to sleep on the plane. And as usual, we'll always take pictures at the Las Vegas sign. So we're gonna head down to the rental car now, and after that, head down to the Fremont, checking at the Fremont. It's right now about 11:30 in the morning. No, 11:30 in the afternoon. And it's time to get started. HCS back in Vegas. Alright, we at the rent-a-car right now. And here at National, all we do is just pick a car in the Emerald aisle. Emerald aisle here, so I don't even have to check in. Just grab my car and go. That's what I love about this. And then I give my credit card at the gate. No line. So all these cars here I can pick, and I don't know which breakfast or just yet. Let's just try and get just take this Malibu. I think this is okay. We'll take a Malibu. Right here, Malibu. And we're off to the Fremont. Alright, scratch that. That car smelled like smoke, so I'm gonna try and take this bad boy. How's this one? This one got cool rims. It's a Mitsubishi. I wonder if this has Apple CarPlay. Okay, we'll take this car. Let's go. Let's open up this bad boy. Not enough trunk space. Alright. Oh, we'll bring this down. Shit. Damn, this is complicated. How the hell do you do this? We don't need this. It's too much. Let's go pick another easier car. Alright, how about a Chevy Equinox? See? Yeah. There we go. Chevy Equinox. We're gonna take this car. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Chevy. Since I own a Chevy Tahoe, I kind of know what's going on here. This car smells better. All right, we got the car. First one, first spin. Let's go, big money. Come on, big money. Yeah. First stop here at the Fremont. Oh, $200. I'll take that. $200.
Don't get it.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. It's Monday, November 18, I think, and it's day 2. We are here at Bellagio. Chef Dice is staying here at Bellagio, and I'm gonna meet up with him. He doesn't know, but I know he does a morning session. So what we're gonna do is go to the casino and see if he is doing his morning session. Yesterday we did 2 filmings. We did what did we do? We went to Main Street. We had the old crew back, as you guys saw the live, and then we went over to Palace Station, and today is Durango, but we're gonna do what they call a coffee run here at Bellagio. So we're gonna walk over. I think it's down this way. I think that's where the casino is, as you can see in the background. We're gonna see if Chef Dice is here. I know the tables are straight up. I think that's him right there. Let's see. Alright, I think I see him right there. No, that's not him. Oh, that is him. There, you can see his spread eagle all the way down there. Look. That's him, I think. Yeah, that is him. Yes, that is Chef Dice. gonna join him right now. There's G Money too, right there. Ah, G Money took my spot. G Money, G Money, G Money, G Money. That's my spot over there. G Money,
Brian.
All right, guys, we're at the Bellagio. We're gonna be doing $400 each. Ashish is gonna roll with us. 4 rows and down, right? 4 rows and down. He's pressing. Ashish, you're pressing everything across. And 4 rows and down. $100 each. 4 rows and down. 4 rows and down. How we divide everything.
Yeah. Okay. Me? You. You're shooting.
Yeah. We're gonna do it.
But after the 4th row, let's all think about maybe do one more.
Okay, let's think about it.
Okay.
Because every 6 rows is the same.
All right, money shot.
All right,
Let's
do
go.
Let's do this.
We can film right now.
We'll let you guys know. Ashish is ready to go. Ashish, how many rolls did you do? 6 rolls. He went 1 more. I told you on the 6th roll. They didn't want to tell me that.
That's why I came to Vegas to gamble with chicken.
But he went across on the extremes on roll 1.
Okay, wait.
And then he went on the
700. 700. How much did we all put in?
We put in $100 each. We made $300.
$300.
And guys, you guys gonna see this on video. That's how you do it. Not on the bubble cups.
Wait.
On a real table.
After your first roll, you press the extreme, right?
I pressed
You
the
hit- You hit the 6.
I hit the 6,
And
press
then-
the extremes. We hit the 6 again. Then I
press
press
the
the
inside.
insides. Then we hit
the 12.
Then we hit a 12. No, we hit a 10.
10.
Then the 12.
The 12.
And then the 10 again.
And then you regressed all the way down to quarter. Yeah. So we made $75.
You're only down 25
you'll
per
see
day.
this video. It's awesome.
Yeah, let's
Chef
go.
Dice out. Ashish.
All right, guys, what has happened here? All right, 175. Chef, where is he? Oh, there. There he is.
On the short side. You can stand it. Thank you.
All right, thanks to Ashish, everybody made, how much did we profit?
75 each.
75 each. Not bad. Not bad. Crap Scooey. Let's go. All right, guys, we're leaving Vegas. The trip is over. We are done. We're here at the airport. I was supposed to meet Chef Dice. Ran a little late getting to here. I forgot to put gas in my rental car. And then I had a problem with my TSA pre-check. So I guess he was waiting for me here. He had a table, but I told him I'm gonna be late. So I'm gonna meet up with him right now. What an awesome trip. Got to meet so many people. It's just exhausting as usual. You know, I extended my trip a little, just 1 day. I had to take care of some stuff for my son at UNLV. But 2 monster rolls, 2 hats this trip. And well, you guys are gonna see the videos. Couple monster rolls actually from Money Shot here. Practice does work, guys. You guys gotta put in the practice, put in the time, because it helps with muscle memory, helps with all the nerves. Well, 1 monster roll, I was really nervous. They said I was shaking, which I didn't feel like I was shaking, but I'm telling you guys, the nerves will get to you guys, and I'm out of breath because I'm trying to rush to our terminal, and Chef Dice is getting us a sandwich because he's a winner. I'll let you guys know in the trip report. I apologize. In between the trip report, I did not do a lot of filming because obviously my camera is on the table. So I gotta fill you guys in live kind of style. So, you know, you're ending the trip report. Winner! The winner right here. Me and Chef Dice. A lot of people say it's good to see The two peas in a pod.
Oh, I know, man. It's like old times.
It's like old
Watch
times,
the
right?
videos.
It's like old
Watch the
times.
videos, man. I was tackle this guy.
Oh man, hey, don't give it away.
Good times, good
Good
times.
times, good times.
Very rare now.
Oh, you exhausted?
I'm beat. I don't know how. This is a gammon trips without our family.
It's different, huh?
It's different, man. I've had like 4 hours sleep, but I just playing tables, slots, blackjack, slots. Everything you can think of, I was playing. I was like a worst G Money.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's good though. Our trip report coming up. I think what I recall, I'm up like 4,500, but it wasn't like a mixed plate though. So, oh,
This guy was on it, man. He caught the shooters.
got 3 hot shoes.
And
he's in front of you.
And he's a slot machine winner too. So it's great to finish this trip report. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I hope you guys enjoy this style, and we will see you guys later. We're gonna be boarding our plane soon. All right, take care, and may the dice be nice. Aloha, guys.